Audi R8 matte black. Abandoned. Buried in thick mud. Forgotten. Chains tighten. Metal groans. The Audi R8 matte black slowly breaks free. Mud tearing away. Water blasts across the surface. Layers of dirt vanish, revealing its true form. Sparks fly. Rust is stripped away. Damaged parts removed. New life installed piece by piece. A fine mist of paint. Matte black reborn. Smooth, flawless. Final bolts tighten. Silence. Then, the engine roars. The Audi R8 matte black drives out. Powerful. Restored. Alive again.